Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through a simple and easy step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for WriteSonic AI using your web browser. So if you are looking to supercharge your content creation, stay tuned. So let's get started. First of all, look for your web browser from your home screen and click on it. Now once you open your web browser, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and search for WriteSonic AI and navigate to the WriteSonic AI official website and click on it. Now once you see the official website of WriteSonic AI, open it. So this is the interface that you'll see once you open WriteSonic AI website. Now to sign up, look for Get Started Free tab and click on it. So now you'll be directed to this page where you'll find various options through which you can sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or your Apple ID, or you can also sign up through your business email. In case you are choosing business email, you can sign up with your OTP or with your password or with SSO. So put your full name and your business email, and in case you're choosing OTP, then click on sign up with OTP and click on sign up with OTP. Now look for the OTP sent by WriteSonic in your mailbox, copy the code and paste it here. Now after you're done with that, click on verify. Now after that, you'll be asked to choose your profession by WriteSonic. So after checking on your profession, click on continue. Now next up, choose the reason why you're using this tool for, and once you check on the reason, click on continue. Now lastly, check on the source through which you heard about this tool, and after that click on done. And there you have it. You're now all set up on WriteSonic AI, ready to explore the world of AI powered content creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.